Here we are, Monday morning, about 10:45. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 people. Morning. Hey, Josh.
Hey, Joe,
hey,
anybody.
Tell me the news. I just got here.
We just found out Cindy and all our other people arrested at the White House are going to be arraigned at 2:30 in room 115, D.C. Superior Court at 500 Indiana Avenue.
Okay. And the motorcycle cops, have they come up and talked to you here, over to my right?
There were 6 here earlier.
And what did they tell you guys?
They're waiting for us to clear out.
And when are you supposed to clear out?
We're supposed to clear out at noon.
At noon, okay.
We'll see how that works out.
Okay, so Cindy's going to be arraigned at what time?
2:30.
2:30.
Yes.
Are people going to go down there to that court?
Yes, we have some people we know, more may join.
Okay, well keep me posted. I'm going to be here. Okay.
Like that book you wrote too about I'll use the target.
Lori! And if we scrub, we can all go to the arena. That would be,
well, Paulie's got a crew of jail support people that are going to be there at the arena.
yeah, but we're talking about if we scrub this, then we could send a lot of people. One out of 500.
I don't really know what to do. A lot of times in the anti-war movement, we kind of just go ahead with things. We reach consensus on them, we get hard staff in the process, and don't realize that it might not be the most decision to make. Yeah, not everyone's voting.
Right. Yeah.
Well, us three are.
There's some confusion, but I don't feel unless you know the plan. Someone explained that.
So let me just get you on film. Where'd you come from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Northeastern Pennsylvania.
Uh-huh. Did you come out here for the anti-war demonstration?
Yeah, we did.
Good. Well, thanks for being here.
Yeah,
Pennsylvania. All right, guys.
Yep.
Take care.
Solidarity.
Solidarity.
Yep.
Forever.
Why don't we first find out how many people here are willing to risk arrest today? Just hold on. So, to see how many, first of all, we have willing to risk arrest, whatever plan we come up with, that's a little further down the road. So first we get an idea of how many people are willing to risk arrest today at some time. After that, if there's a significant number, then we can decide maybe what we would want to do ideally. So that's why we started in the process rather than going with an original plan, because things have changed. I was there when Cindy got arrested. Another woman wanted to get arrested. I said, well, here's the situation. If we go in there, we very well be in jail until Monday. And it turned out. So I would just want to see how many people here are willing. But if there's a significant number, then we consider what can be accomplished today. Forget about what has been planned. Right. I have a suspicion that some of you haven't been involved in the plan. That's a suggestion.
We'll be here in the next 30 minutes to an hour. Have an issue.
Well,
nothing getting worse. So are we? No, I really...
Scrub.
Alright, hold on one second. Yep. We're going to go through the group twice for people to speak. That's it. And then we'll figure out what we'll try to reach consensus on something, okay?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. First, take into account that I am not willing to lose the rest today. There are other actions that I want to participate in. I'm going to make myself available for one arrest this week, and this is not it. So, take that into account. But, having said that, there is a part of me that just doesn't want to give in to the weather or anything. You know, we're not revolution to quote Ayn Rand. And, you know, we called the press and we named the claims we were going to do, and I'm afraid that if we don't do it, then when we really do, they're not going to do it. And that's all I wanted to do. And if they're not going to cover it. Right. I understand that. I just...
I just think it's. I think we should move on. I'm with you on that. There's a part of me that says I don't want to let this stop us, but for crying out loud, you know, we can do a lot better with different circumstances. A chance to reorganize a little bit, you know. I really think so.
Where's the courtroom? Okay. I feel like if we don't do something today, it might just fizzle out even more. And us people show up next time, and then I think we just kind of do something today.
Support Cindy and support her original vision. If taking an arrest today, regardless how wet it is or how much media we have, helps legitimize and give a sense of purpose and reality to her vision, which I think has not died, then I would like to go through with the arrest from that perspective.
I just want to respond to what you said about Cindy's vision. Well, Cindy's vision did not, she got arrested. She changed the
Support whatever.
Still
I'm
makes a
ready to do
statement.
whatever. I support whatever.
You know, if somebody wants to, you can make a statement anytime, any place you want.
That's true.
Why don't we have to regroup again outside of the weather? Come forward with concrete proposals to continue tomorrow when it's not raining, or we can go do something inside together.
Get to know each other. You're going to be risking arrest with each other. You're going to rely on each other. Get to know each other, and whatever you decide, come together, stick together. Maybe it'll be later today inside somewhere. Maybe we can all gather together and see Cindy arraigned after 2:30. I think that'll be much later, like 5 or so. That'll be a chance to stay together and talk and plan in the courthouse together. Whatever you do, you're building a
good meetup for Cindy would be good.
Sticking together and building community and waiting for our friends who got arrested to come out, caucusing with them, giving them forth a concrete proposal as we build things together as we sit.
Yeah, but we are going to do it.
Eventually, in the right circumstances where it'll do the most good.
Yeah. I think a lot of people are suffering from last week.
How much room's left? Well, he's particularly.
We need a discussion because I'm not here to get arrested.